This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures coming to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago with your livestock roundup. And we saw a lot of pressure here on the open this morning on the back of that lackluster phase one deal. And I think that spurred a lot of long liquidation from funds who have had a pretty decent size net long position as of late, roughly 80 to 85,000 contracts on the long side. On top of that, we're at the top end of the range. Now, that was a technical reason. On top of that, we had cash coming in, 124, which I think was a little bit underwhelming compared to what people were expecting, but still for the most part range bound. On the bottom side we're looking 124 to 125, on the top side 127.28. We are leaning on the short side a little bit. If we were to break below that 124 on a closing basis, I think that would trigger additional long liquidation, potentially open the door for a rather quick run towards that 120 level. Now, on the feeder cattle market, same type of deal, mostly range bound, a little bit wider of a ranges because it's a bigger market. 147 to 148 is the top end of that range. 142 to 143 is the bottom side of that range. We tested and held that bottom end so far. We'll have to see if we can hold that going into the weekend. If we break and close below there, I wouldn't be surprised to see a swift move lower towards that 140 level. Now, wrapping things up with the lean hog market, lean hogs have been very choppy, trying to get their feet under them today. We need to see consecutive closes out above 68 to warrant another move towards 70. If you recall, 70 is that brick wall. We need to see consecutive closes out above there, I think, to really spur a meaningful rally. Until then, the bears remain in control. 65.40 is those December lows. That was tested and held earlier this week. Break and close below there opens the door for those August lows, comes in closer to 63, 67. So that's what we're looking at. That's what you should be looking at too. It's been Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.